we can see someone standing in the tracks, they'll be mad and they'll call.
Yeah.
And they're gonna call the cops.
Actually, that security right there. Make sure that you don't go on the track.
I'm not. It's gonna go slow. CP.
So what are they carrying?
Coal cars.
Tell them they're all black.
They're all dirty.
Very dirty. Snow is very dirty.
Yeah. CP 731.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. We've seen the ambulance with the siren on when we filmed the video off the train.
Yeah.
And the ambulance left.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can see it next time.
Yeah.
Alright. Have you been to Delhi before?
It's an exciting day.
Have you been to Vancouver Airport before?
I have.
What do you do there? Drop off someone?
I've dropped somebody off and I've gone there to take a picture.
When you go to Vancouver International? That's his mommy coop. That's...
What's that mean?
This is dirty coal, my friend.
Yeah, very dirty.
This is American.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
But it's Canada.
Yeah, it's Canada. CP.
963, 480. Yeah. You washed your hair yesterday?
And today?
I should have washed your hair today.
I already did.
You did it? You did it 2 times?
I washed it yesterday and today.
What? One with the... Yesterday, one with the shampoo?
Yeah.
And yesterday, one?
No, yesterday I shampooed, today I just used conditioner.
Water only? This is American. Like, we're not caught. I'm so confused. Come back. What'd you say? Listen to me. Do not tap hard right now. Do not tap hard right now. I didn't do that. Only when the work closest person is here or no. Only when it's here. That means we can do it when the West Coast Express is here. If we can see someone standing in the tracks, security's gonna be mad and call the cops. Yeah. You don't hear good. That's it. This is bread, I think.
Bread? Yeah, you're right. It's bread. Why is there bread there?
The train versus bread. That's me.
Has me.
They don't want the bread because that's yucky.
Yeah, it is yucky.
Disgusting.
It's moldy.
Someone ate it,
Yeah.
but they
That'll
didn't.
make them sick.
They didn't eat it. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
They don't want the bread.
No.
We're done with the train. On April 21, is the West Coast Express gonna be the departure?
Yeah?
Is it gonna be it?
It's becoming that.
What? Today? Can we go on top, please?
Where are we going?
On top, I think. All right. This is not Indian train. This is Canadian train.
That's right.
We see it all the time.
Yeah.
We didn't see it in February when I was in India,
No.
but we are back to see it. Security. Security guard. Next year, probably I'm gonna be a police officer,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna use entrance in the radio. And Smith will send him the key so I can unlock or double lock. We're inside today.
Yeah. Oh, look, we can see inside they're empty. Both ends are empty.
Alright. It's gonna be the end of it soon.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Ha 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 ha. There's two AC, two coin engine and one ES44 AC. It's not gonna go straight up there until it's turning there.
Yeah.
We don't want to make it scare us. There's a little bit dirt and it's empty.
Yeah, there's the dust, charcoal dust.
Do not eat the dust.
No, no.
I never ate that.
Good.
We see it
Yeah.
for today. So we never see that before.
No.
That says no go.
Relaxed.
Oh my god.
Nope, these ones are full.
These are empty.
That one's
Full?
Yeah.
Full.
2 full ones.
Two full and two full. Empty, empty.
2 empty ones.
A little bit dirt. And a little bit dirt. Oh, that scared me. This is the light engine.
Yeah.
Stop, move so it doesn't want to attack. Can we go now?
Yep.
We can wait until it's going that way.
Okay.
We want to airdrop it now.
Okay. We'll go back to your place and airdrop it?
Yeah.